Welcome to Health Channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.
Dear students of Standard 5, today we will try to solve some questions from Subject EVS Part 2. Lesson 1. What is history? You will have only 10 seconds for assuming the correct answer. Now ready for the educational journey. Best of luck. Question number 1. A science that tries to understand past events is called dash. First option, physics. Second option, chemistry. Third option, biology. Fourth option, history.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is history. Question number 2. Words like now, some time ago, after some time, or today, yesterday, tomorrow, or last year, this year, next year, are used for measuring dash. First option, weight. Second option, distance. Third option, time. Fourth option, temperature.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is time. Question number 3. Words like some time ago, yesterday and last year are terms that indicate dash. First option, the past. Second option, the present. Third option, the future.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is the past. Question number 4. History uses the scientific method at every stage. Namely, while looking for and collecting evidence, examining the evidence, and while putting it together. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 5. Which of the following cannot be a source of history? First option, rainbow. Second option, sculptures. Third option, coins. Fourth option, books.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is rainbow. Question number 6. What type of history source is the traditional stories? First option, material source. Second option, written source. Third option, oral source.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is oral source. Question number 7. Individual or collective actions of human beings have consequences. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 8. The history does not make it possible for us to study what is and what is not favorable for the progress of human society. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is false. Question number 9. Every village, city, district, state or country has its own history. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 10. The past, present and future are linked by a dash chain of events. First option, continuous. Second option, broken.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is continuous. Question number 11. History is written solely on the basis of imagination. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is false. Question number 12. What does it mean by the Latin word archaeus? First option, current. Second option, fresh. Third option, modern. Fourth option, ancient.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is ancient. Question number 13. The science that studies past cultures with the help of ancient remains is called dash. First option, biology. Second option, sociology. Third option, archaeology. Fourth option, zoology.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is archaeology. Question number 14. Look at the picture given below and identify the source of history. First option, material source. Second option, written source. Third option, oral source.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is written source. Question number 15. Of which action is India's independence the result? First option, historical action. Second option, futuristic action. Third option, biological action. Fourth option, mathematical action.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is historical action. Question number 16. Classify the different sources of history for the following things using the chart given below.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct classification is as follows. Coins are material sources. Forts are material sources. Biographies are written sources. Traditional songs are oral sources. Poets are material sources. Copper plates are material sources. Folk songs are oral sources. Stone inscriptions are written sources. Pillars are material sources. Rock cut carves are material sources. Letters are written sources. Folk tales are oral sources. Old structures are material sources.
Thank you for watching Help Channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.